Hey everyone, so the bell tower, it's been a big project. Stage one was getting it cleaned up. So as you can tell, beautiful stained glass, we are on level 1. There's now a floor there. And then all of this right here is cleaned up. So, and we also have a nice, beautiful hole here to get up into the attic. Take you through the cleanup, and then after the cleanup, next video after that, we'll be building that floor, then the roof above that was done, and then all the tuck pointing. So apologies for not getting all these videos up as soon as I can. We've been in major project mode, so winter is coming. Winter is real up here. So we will go ahead and get a bunch of videos out. We got about 40 or 50 ready to go. So appreciate you guys' patience, and let's check out getting this stuff cleaned.
All right, let's get this place cleaned out. One of the first things we had to do while we were cleaning is swap out all of the old wooden ladders out for some metal ones. That way, as we're going up and down, it's more secure and safer. Man, there's so much insulation and stuff in here. I don't even know what was up here. And there's the hole that was knocked out to go up into the attic. That goes above the sanctuary. Now we've already taken out a bunch of the papers in folders and miscellaneous stuff that was just stored up here already. We have probably, I don't know, a few bags right there. Total bags taken out, I don't know, over 20, I think it was, of just miscellaneous old papers, pamphlets. This whole place up here was just kind of like a catch-all. But it's a pretty big room. I mean, all these rooms inside the bell tower are 12 by 12, so why not use them? I mean, 12 by 12 is a pretty good sized room. Hardest part of this whole project, as far as cleaning this up and replacing the ladders, was getting the ladders up and not hitting the stained glass windows behind me. So this right here is a 32-foot ladder that had to go straight up. So not horrible, but man, not the lightest. Aluminum ladder is not the lightest going straight up, not being able to lean against anything. Or maybe it is and I'm just weak sauce, who knows. There's my neighbor Gwen helping me clean everything up. So secure one ladder, put it up. We're gonna go up top, unsecure the wooden ladder, and then we'll get this one secured. Oh, and Gwen, yeah, I got another bag. I gotta go dump this bag first. We have a nice little system going. She fills up the bucket, drops it down, I empty it, she takes it back up, fills it up, and we go back and forth. Works out pretty well with the helper. Up and down the ladders, up and down the ladders. Don't need a Stairmaster, I've got ladders. Going up to unsecure the wooden ladder. Setting the stuff down. Man, this old wood, all this stuff. Next project. We are a little high. Moving these ladders without having them really secure was just a little nerve-wracking. A little help from Gwen and get this guy down. it's time to vacuum and clean everything up. Now that we got everything swept up and the majority of the stuff out, do a final cleaning on everything, get it all vacuumed up, get some more stuff moved, and it should be good. These right here are these 2x6s by 2x6s. They're nice little planks. Don't know what they're doing down here, but we're going to move them up top. I can use them as I'm building the floor up top. That way I can go across. Not the smartest move what I'm about to do right now. Future me past this ended up getting a winch to help me move stuff back and forth. I was stuck of not having everything here, wanting to get it done. Figured I could muscle it up there. Not the lightest, and I don't have any ropes attached, so not the smartest of moves, but got it done. So just slid it up, held it onto the side, and then put it on my knee and just kept moving it up till I got it all the way up. This part was a little difficult because trying to move it up that small opening and move it over to the side without it slamming down anywhere, because it's not the lightest. But was able to get it up, moved over, and down. And all because I am impatient and just wanted to get the job done. But got it done, everything's safe, nothing broken. So here's the floor before the floor. So this is what we were working with as far as just boards going down on the second floor of the bell tower. Here's another 12 by 12 room, and this needs to get all cleaned up, and we need to rip up all of this stuff, all these boards. They're just hanging there, they're not really even tacked in, and remove them while we build another floor. There we go. Vacuum up all the stuff. It's kind of amazing once you get this cleaned up how you realize the amount of room that is in these different levels that has never been utilized. They've just been kind of there. No one's used them. They kind of just stored stuff in them or stacked stuff. But it's kind of a shame. We will not be doing that. We will be utilizing every floor in this place. These floors right now, the center hole, we'll end up closing that in later on. That way you can actually utilize the space more. And these floors will get finished out. It's project 962. Look at this, all nice and cleaned up. Everything vacuumed out. Can actually use this a little bit. Now that's done, let's go ahead and watch this in real time.